A user needs to create another nominal size of an existing component. Vault Copy Design applies all its powerful capabilities to SolidWorks parts, assemblies, and drawing files. Instead of copying a complete assembly branch or project, users commonly prefer starting a copy from individual components that require edits. In any case, the Vault Copy Design recognizes existing drawings and automatically includes them in the process. Copied files rename to new numbers. Their file properties also update according default or user-defined editing rules. You also may initiate an assembly copy by replacing a single component by an existing part that already represents the required size or geometry. And of course, users can combine replace and copy actions to a single step. The result reflects copied and reused components. As the copy finished, several edit tasks may be required. To edit all new files properties, the table editor allows Excel-like changes of multiple metadata in a single view. We complete our current task of creating a new parametric variant. The assembly and its part files get new parameter values. SolidWorks Vault users directly open and update related drawings within the CAD application. Vault tracks all these edits and changes in our copied files by new file versions. These reflect the progress done in each component and drawing history.